You see that? Is that 972A1 S8200? That is a sensor that sits in the dash, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So all I did was unplug one little plug right here. I'm going to pop it back in and show you how to get it out. See that? That was never here. I took this guy, but you can also grab this guy. Let's see, where are we? You use this guy. Here you go. We can do that as well. So with both hands, or not, or just turn, See what we're doing? Both hands, be easier. See? They're all just clips. Clip there, guide there, clip there, you get it. One little yellow, and there you go. And that's how to get to that little thing. I'm going to put it in the description if we can find one. But also, here's your speaker that's not there. So this is also a center speaker. It's also not there. So here you go. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.